Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something I get asked about all the time: how to start over on your Squarespace 7.1 website using the classic editor. If you've been experimenting with page edits, trying out new styles, or maybe just want a clean slate, you might be wondering, is there a way to fully revert your site? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safeguard your existing site and confidently reset your content, even if Squarespace doesn't offer a true one-click undo button. All right, first things first, and this is really important to know up front. Squarespace doesn't have an option to revert your entire site to its original form. If you've ever searched for a restore or reset button, you're not alone. Sadly, there's no magic switch. Once you've saved changes and exited the editor, there's no built-in way to roll your whole site or even individual pages back to how they were before. So what do we do instead? Here's the smart workaround that many website owners, and even professionals, use. Before you make any changes, head to your account dashboard and duplicate your website. It's a simple idea, but so powerful. Think of it like making a photocopy of an important document before you start highlighting and scribbling notes. This way, you'll always have an untouched version safely tucked away. So let's walk through that. In your Squarespace dashboard, you'll see the option to duplicate your site. Go ahead and do this before you hit edit on anything. This extra step might feel a bit tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. If something goes sideways or you want to compare before and after, you'll thank yourself later. Once you've got the duplicate set up, click into your website and select Edit. Now, here's where you can start undoing changes you've made. If you just finished a round of edits and you're still in the editor, you can use the Undo option to backtrack piece by piece through your recent changes. However, this only works for the current session. Again, once you exit, those changes are locked in. So stay in the editor as long as you need before saving if you're unsure. Next, let's talk about site styles. This area is the behind-the-scenes toolkit for your design. If you want to start fresh visually, go to Site Styles. Here you'll find customization options for things like themes, buttons, forms, and other miscellaneous elements. Squarespace usually lets you select previous versions for some of these features, which is a great way to roll back specific stylistic choices without nuking your entire site. Take your time here. Maybe you want your buttons to look like they did last week, or you aren't happy with the new font on your forms. This is where you can dial things back. Squarespace will show you a list of previous versions for some elements, so just pick the one that feels right and preview your changes before applying them. Don't worry if you're not sure what each option does. Experiment a little, and remember, you've got your duplicate site as a backup, and that's really it. Remember, always duplicate your site before making sweeping changes. It may feel like an extra step, but it's the simplest way to protect all your hard work. If Squarespace ever introduces a true reversion feature, I'll be the first to let you know. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help out if you get stuck or need extra detail. And if you want more Squarespace tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your perfect website.